Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and also welcome to this course Object-Oriented Programming using Java. Myself Tanvir Rahman, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain about access modifiers in Java. So there are four access modifiers. They are public, private, protected and the default modifier. So in order to understand the functionality of these four access modifiers, we need to reopen the project, the car management system project, which I was using in order to describe the concept of classes and objects. Now we can see that there is a class, that is car class, and inside car there are three fields and one functions, or we can say that it is the activities of this particular class. Anyway, so I am going to declare these variables in a different way. Like I'm going to put the access modifiers in front of these variables. Like the name, I want to give it public, so the name must be public, the model must be protected, and the price can be private. And now I'm going to create another variable, and for which I'm not going to put any access modifier there, and that is manufacturer. So it is the default access modifier, which means if you do not write any kind of modifier in before the field or function, that particular thing becomes protected by default. So the default access modifier is protected. So in order to describe or show the functionalities of these modifiers, let me quickly jump into the class program. And here we can see that inside the main method we have already created an object for that class car. So if we put BMW and a dot there, then we can see that we can see the fields we have created earlier, but we cannot see the private field. So the private field was price, and price is not present here. So we can understand that if you declare something private, that particular thing will be only available to the declaring class, which means into this boundary it will be available, but outside this boundary it will not be available. Now if you declare something to be public, then it is accessible throughout the entire project. If you declare something to be protected, then that particular thing is available to a particular package. As this class program and this class car is inside cars package, I want to create another package called let's say it is test package, and inside test package I want to create a class, and the name of the class is test, and inside the test class I want to create a main method. And now inside the main method of the test class I want to create the object of car. So car BMW is equals to new car. Okay, so it is showing us an error because it cannot find car inside of this test package, so we have to import the car. So whenever I am importing the cars.car, which means the car class is present inside the cars package, then the error is gone. And now if we save it, all of the error will gone. Okay, so now if we take a look at BMW and put a dot there, then we can see that only the name field is accessible, because only the name was public. And as I said, that if you declare something to be protected, it is only available inside the package, and if you declare something to be private, it is only available to the class boundary, and if you declare something without any access modifier, that particular thing becomes protected, which means it will act like protected and it will not be available to another package. So as the name, only the name field is public, we can get that from different package. but we cannot get any other things from this package. So this is the concept of access modifiers. And if you declare something to be public, like inside the car class I have declared name to be public, and it's a public field. So if I create another package, and inside that package if I create another class, and inside that class if I create the object of this car class, then I can get the get only the field name because it is public. So that is the concept of access modifiers in Java. This is Tanvir Rahman signing out. Thank you for watching.